Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a smart home accessory that's designed to enhance your living experience, the Eve Motion 3-pack, featuring smart motion and light sensors. We discovered this innovative product online, and we've included a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Eve Motion? This is a set of 3 smart motion and light sensors that can be placed both indoors and outdoors, thanks to its IPX3 water-resistant design. Each sensor operates without the need for wires, relying instead on battery power, which makes installation a breeze. The sensors boast a 120-degree field of view and can detect motion from up to 9 meters away, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your desired space. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of the Eve Motion. First and foremost, it allows you to control your lights and appliances simply by moving. Imagine walking into a room and having the lights turn on automatically, no need to fumble for a switch. Plus, you can receive notifications on your smartphone when motion is detected, which is particularly handy for security purposes or simply to know when someone enters a space. The Eve app for iOS also lets you refine automations based on brightness, providing even more customization for your smart home setup. One of the most significant aspects of the Eve Motion is its compatibility with Matter, a new standard for smart home devices. This means you can easily monitor and control your home across various smartphones and voice assistants, whether you're using Apple Home, Amazon Alexa, Google Home, or SmartThings. The inclusion of Thread network technology also ensures that your smart home experience is robust and reliable, minimizing any connectivity issues. Privacy is another crucial feature that sets Eve apart from many other smart devices. With Eve Motion, there's no need for registration, no tracking, and no reliance on cloud services. All communication occurs locally, which means your data stays private and secure. So, who would benefit from the Eve Motion 3-pack? This product is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their smart home ecosystem, particularly those who value convenience, security, and privacy. It's also an excellent choice for families, as it can help monitor kids in different rooms or provide peace of mind when you're away from home. Let's explore some practical use cases. For instance, if you place a sensor in your hallway, you could set it up so that when you walk through at night, the lights turn on automatically, preventing any accidents. Additionally, you could use the sensors in outdoor spaces, such as your garden or driveway, to alert you whenever someone approaches your home. The ability to customize settings based on brightness means you can even program your lights to switch on only when it's dark outside, saving energy and extending the life of your bulbs. In conclusion, the Eve Motion 3-pack is a fantastic addition to any smart home setup, offering a blend of functionality, privacy, and ease of use. Whether you're looking to enhance your home security or simply make your everyday life a little more convenient, these motion and light sensors are a worthy investment. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.